Hey there, it's Brian, and everyone thinks AI is going to replace their job, or it's going to put them out of business, or it's going to somehow take their income away. Well, the fact is, it can become your slave, or it can become your master. You know, the goal is to make it your slave. Come on. But the reality is right here. It says AI, this is from Perplexity, AI is projected to replace approximately 3 million jobs worldwide. Okay, 3 million jobs worldwide. That's not very many. That's only 9.1% of jobs globally. According to estimates from major research institutes and financial analysis. However, this impact is expected to be uneven across industries and countries. Well, of course, because AI can't do everything. It can't do home services work. It can't do plumbing. It can't do painting. It can't mow lawns. What else? AI can't do a lot of things. That's why home services is going to be, they're going to be the top money makers here in the next decade. Instead of making 20 bucks an hour, they're going to be making 50 to 100 bucks an hour because they can't be replaced by AI. AI can make food. It can do a lot of things. It can sew clothes together. It can wash clothes. It can do a lot of things, but it can't do a lot of home services things. It can't do plumbing. Well, it can make a house, but it can't do all the other things that come to a house. So when you hear that AI is going to take your job, well, probably not. But you can make money from AI. There's lots of ways to make money from AI. If you want to learn how, come to my SKOOL community. I'll put the link below in the description. But I'm teaching people how to make AI assistants. You can sell these or you can use them in your business. So if you want to sell them, hey, book a call with me and I'll show you how. If you want to use it in your business, book a call with me and I'll show you how. Or you can buy them. You can buy one AI assistant or you can buy unlimited. So yeah, you can use it in home services. You can use it in just about any business. You can use it as a sales rep. You can use it for customer service. You can use it as a receptionist. And the cool thing is about AI, with our AI at least, there's no coding required. You don't have to patch it together with like Closebot or Make or N8N or any of the other workflow builders and then hook a bunch of webhooks to it to make it all work. We do all that for you. That's all on the back end. We've already done it. We've already made it all work. And what we do is we connect it all together with Go High Level. And we give you a free Go High Level account if you become a paid member. So hey, if you want to learn more, check out my SKOOL community. And I'd love to see you there. See you in the next video. Thanks.